possible. The people's governor, because I have been chosen by the people. The people have spoken. I have no mayors, no congressman behind me, no barangay captains. I only have the people behind me. So I want to be known as the people's governor. Thank you very much. Tay, Tatay Digong, salamat kaayo. Imo kong giingon, imo kong giingan na kung pati lang, day. Kung pati, yung ko until the end, day. Kung hinaot, makauli ka, maguyog ka sa akong proclamation. Kung ako nang hinumduman, imong gisulti na ako na higugma ang mga sitwasyon, day. So ako ginasilang higugma, tay. O siguro nakadaog din ko ron. Nabati nila ako paghigugma nila. Okay, does not stop there, no? Ako serbisyuhan yun. Kaya ako pagtanawaan niya kung kadaugan daron responsibilidad ni dili ni Pasigarbo, responsibilidad ni para sa mga taga-probinsya sa Cebu. Yeah, we will arrange for a press con maybe this week, and we will form our position by this week. Salamat, thank you kayo, no? So, yes.